N458 and VN4, and this is actually the Swan Hill Arrival. Now, this is the only N-Class operational at the moment. The other N-Class are not operational at this time of day for some fault they've had with the locos. They're going to use this one to go back to Swan Hill. This is the only N-Class operational. It's really, really annoying. And I'm not saying it's the only operational live event. I mean, this is the only set operational today. They've got no more operational sets because they've had a train fault with the others. This will be the first time probably in a while they've actually brought an N-Class in, run around the engine and going back at it with the same loco. They haven't done this in a while. Pull the couplers, make sure. Must get the funnel up.
Vehicles in 458. Roger that. 8947 to the Nutter. Just confirm with Charles.
was going to go all the way to Bendigo on this. We've left so late. I'm going to go off at Marsby or Castlemaine, pencil time to get through the Metropolitan. Because we run express from Footscray. This is the only operational N class at the moment because they've got the other ones broken down on the net in the yard. They got N465 came from the Bendigo workshops, that's why they couldn't use that one.
Number N458 to Swan Hill N, N458, over. N458. Number N458 Swan Hill
He's actually dropping the throttle back. I think I'll roll the carriage as well slightly.
Conductor, platform work is complete. Conductor out. Roger that, and assembly panel, you received that, over.
I did receive that drive. You're going to get that live any second to keep going out to summary. Thank you so much for your help this evening. You both have a wonderful evening. Summary out.
Thank you.
Well, we're going to have these to give this a good rev, hopefully. Would end on the old incense.
Conductor N458, Swan Hill Cross Driver N458, over. N458. Conductor N458 to Swan Hill, doors locked, platform work complete, conductor out. Hill to driver N458 over. N458. Conductor N458 to Swan Hill, doors are locked, platform work complete, conductor out.
I love the sound of this. The N class is the best loco haul train they've had in years. For years in service. I don't know why VLon wants to take these off, wasn't they? They're the best trains ever. They should put them back on the Geelong services. I'll tell you, if I was a public transport minister, these would return back straight away to Geelong straight away. Platform one side. They don't leave them up. It's actually got the bolt down there. It has to be on the platform one side.
How are we going to get to our side?
Because I wanted to ask her to turn the bell on, everything on the off on the fireman's side of the loco. Well, I'm gonna find out and get off. I'll find out on the boards.
On this one, it's probably.
Yeah.
I've only seen two.
Yeah, stick on like on this.
Never been Castlemaine.
I am going to do a re-video of this going to Bendigo when the train runs back to normal, because we're just a bit delayed behind due to late running. I mean, failed trains, and this train we have to wait for it to come back.
Conductor N458 to Swan Hill to driver over. N458. Conductor N458 to Swan Hill, doors are locked, platform work complete, conductor out.
Be on that side.